Oh, thank you.
It feels a little ironic, actually, doing this, Annette, because for all your astonishing talent, off-camera you always seem quite a private person, actually, and someone who is quite keen on keeping a divide between the movie actress and actually the woman outside of that.
Well, I think it's always sane to have a certain amount of privacy, and it's good for the work as well. But of course, I think it's trickier now. I really feel for the people starting out who feel a responsibility to be on social media. I guess you have to be. I don't know.
Your movie career starts, interesting films, Valmont, Postcards from the Edge.
So Stephen Frears was directing a movie called Dangerous Liaisons. And Milos Forman was directing a movie called Valmont. And they were both based on the same book. They were like competing movies, but I was in New York at the time, so I was in a play, and they both met me for the movies.
Are you seeing somebody else?
I'll have to let you know.
So Stephen Frears was interested in me playing the girl who gets the letter written on her bare ass. And Milos Forman was interested in that I might play the leading role. I didn't get the part of the girl who gets the letter written on her bum, and I did get the part in the other one. So Milos was great and taught me a lot, and he was very tough. We were all sort of traumatized by him. I've always been pretty much a conciliatory person in a working atmosphere, and I still am, but I also know more now. So if I see something or I have an idea about something, I'm very diplomatic. In the past, I might have noticed something and thought, well, I really shouldn't say anything. I'm just the actress. I'll just sit over here and be quiet. That's kind of a problem there, but I'll just, you know, now I'll say, excuse me, I think there's a problem. There's a part of you that just wants to get the day done. And it's like when someone says, you know, that mustache looks bad. It's like, it's fine, okay? Please, we need to get the shot, we need to get on. And then you make the movie and there's this fucking mustache.